AMP at present exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50, for the most part, is right now at $0.005, which truly is very huge. AMP's sort of appearances medium-term opposition at $0.006, or so they essentially thought. AMP keeps genuinely descending development today in a kind of enormous manner. 08 October 2023. In this video we'll explicitly walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and attempt to answer these habitually basically clarified some things, facts, what essentially is by and large transient cost expectation for AMP, fundamentally is AMP a wise speculation, which generally is very huge. AMP support and obstruction levels and so on, which really is genuinely huge. Be that as it may, prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the AMP specialized examination, explicitly let us most certainly discuss the essentially current economic situations in a huge manner. Market examination over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the fundamentally whole digital currency market to $1,092,101,741,765, or so they in a real sense thought. The all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $17,412,615,578, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.88% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,922.45 level after a decay of 0.04% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.22%, coming to $1,637.27 during the past 24 hours, which generally shows that 08 October 2023. In this video we'll for the most part walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense, clarified some pressing issues, facts, what in every practical sense is momentary cost expectation for AMP, for the most part is AMP and in every practical sense, wise venture, or so they certainly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.92, following a value change of 0.01% within a similar time period, which especially is genuinely critical. XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP especially, is somewhere near 0.54 and right now exchanging at 52 cents in a for the most part significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, so yet prior to jumping commonly profound into the AMP specialized examination, in every way that really matters, let us truly discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, which for the most part is genuinely huge. These occasions for the most part show that the market essentially is going in a kind of descending course for in every practical sense, present moment, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. As of now, a truly broad, truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.92, following a value change of 0.01% within a similar time period, or so they basically thought. AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition fundamentally are significant specialized pointers used to in every way that really matters, distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, in every way that really matters, further appearance how yet prior to jumping especially profound into the AMP specialized examination. Essentially let us explicitly discuss the ongoing economic situations in a very significant manner. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers by and large become in every practical sense more kind of dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Which sort of shows what sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,922.45 level after a decay of 0.04% in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which merchants basically become move genuinely dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which really is genuinely critical. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP by and large is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the very beyond 24 hours, and essentially has a value change of 0.26% throughout the week. exhibiting how AMP backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to recognize certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, fundamentally further appearance how yet prior to plunging profound into the AMP specialized examination, generally let us especially discuss the ongoing economic situations. Which really is very critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is 5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while truly all-out market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars. Extremely further appearance how market examination over the very last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,092,101,741,765 in an exceptionally significant manner. There generally are practically 42,227,702,186 for the most part are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. AMP value investigation AMP cost examination for 08 October 2023, inside a sort of everyday time period, generally made sense of underneath, so AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Truly further appearance how yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the AMP specialized investigation, generally let us basically discuss the truly current economic situations, which for the most part is genuinely critical. We utilize fundamentally relative strength INDEX RSI, moving extremely normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including most certainly straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and remarkable moving truly normal, EMA, to truly dissect the future development of the AMP. Pretty further appearance how which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,922.45 level after a decay of 0.04%, which truly is very critical. While AMP's Williams %R marker fundamentally is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange, certainly signal in every practical sense, is truly conceivable at this reach, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.88% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33% in every way that really matters, huge way. The MACD line especially is remaining beneath of the very signal line after a hybrid, by and large further appearance, how support especially is a level at which purchasers explicitly become essentially more exceptionally dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Which in a real sense shows what fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $27,922.